Hello, I'm Tim Weir with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to make sure that you get all of our new inventory updates. Here with me today, I got a brand new Isuzu MPR HD crew cab gas offering with a 16-foot van body and split dovetails for our landscape customers. The first thing you'll notice is Isuzu's iconic low cab forward design. This will give you increased visibility, maneuverability, and overall safety for your guys. Let's take a look on the inside. As I mentioned, it is a crew cab, so you have seating for 4 in the back on this bench seating. You'll have seating for 3 with the bench and the captain's chair. Middle console does fold down into a little workstation. You have automatic windows, locks, controls for the side mirrors. We'd have the upgraded 7-inch touch audio with backup camera. This also has Apple CarPlay. All your typical creature features, cup holders, all that good stuff, AC, all the things you need to be successful out in the market. Now let's take a look at the body. Before we jump on this body, I want to point out something. On all of our gas units, we put some sort of catalytic converter anti-theft device. This is a cage that we put on there. This is a 16-foot van body from Morgan. It is vented up here in the front, so if you do have any gas cans or anything like that in the back, the fumes won't just stay inside, they will be vented. 16-foot, clean side of frame. A box like this is great for putting your decals. It's a rolling billboard for you and your company. You can actually have, we can upfit this with toolboxes if needed. At our body shop, we can basically do any kind of customizations you might need as well. I want you to see the inside of here. It's plywood lined. At the very front, you can see the holes where it's vented. I want you to look at these walls as basically a blank canvas. We can upfit it with weed eater racks, shelving, blower racks, anything that you need to be successful out there, we can do for you. This right here is our split dovetail ramp. This is handcrafted and built at our body shop specifically for our customers. We have taken feedback over the years on what will make these more durable and make you more successful. We put the thickest grade springs that we can put our hands on to once again increase the longevity of this build for you guys. Again, this is handcrafted by us in our body shop. Again, I would like you to like this video, hit subscribe to make sure you're getting all of the updates on our inventory. I look forward to seeing you.